Hello, hello, hello! I'm Hamid Reza, and today we're gonna talk about numbers. But first, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start! One to 20? How should I count? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy, huh? Let's continue. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Not bad. Ten, 40, 30. Oh, gosh! How do we count by tens? Let's try. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, I got this. Let's count by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Thousands? Let's try counting by thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Higher numbers? Millions? Okay, let's count by millions. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, 6 million, 7 million, 8 million, 9 million. Billions? Right? Fine. Let's count by billions. 1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion, 5 billion, 6 billion, 7 billion, 8 billion, 9 billion. Oof. Break time, please. Fourteen, 40, right? What's the difference? Let's have a look. When we say 14, we stress on teen. 14, 14. But for 40, the stress is on 4. 40, 40. Got it? No? Let's do another example. For 17, we stress on teen. 17, 17. But for 70, stress is on 7. 70, 70. I know. Big numbers? How do we read them? Let's try. 7. Yeah. 57. Okay. 457. 6,457. Right. 16,457. Go on. 316,457. Huh. 8,316,457. I see. 98,316,457. That's all? 298,316,457. Easy. 4,298,316,457. Stop! 84,298,316,457. Please. 898,298,316,457. Comma? Comma. For example, between thousands and hundreds, we write a comma. Another example. Between millions and thousands, again, we write a comma. Easy. Don't say 53 in phone numbers. Say numbers digit by digit. So, 53. For example, 0538. Is this 0 or O? Which one? Both are correct, but 0 is better. For example, 0538 or 0538. It's the same thing. 4433. Gosh, boring. Use double for repeated digits in phone numbers. So, 4433. Much better. Don't say 0535786241 No! Break numbers. Say 0535. Wait. 786. Wait. 2419. It's about the money, money, money. Don't say $5. It's number plus currency. So say $5. You got this. Don't say 2.50. No, it's not math. It's a price. So say 250. 375. Remember, in British, we say the currency. So we say $12.90. Don't say 5.45. Or 5.45. Or even 5.45. No, no, no. Just say 5.45. O'clock? What's that? We use o'clock only with whole numbers. For example, it's 5 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Don't say 3:30 o'clock. No, Say 3:30. Don't say June 21. No, Say June 21st. Don't say April 2. No, Say April 2nd. One, 2, 3, 4. My birthday is January 4. Let's practice. First, second, third. Now, from here, it's easy. Just add th. Simple. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Not bad. Ten muffins? Around 10. 20 students? No, about 20. Sometimes we don't know the exact number. It's okay. We can use around, about, near, roughly, or approximately. For example, around 20 students. Approximately 20 students. Near 20 students. Or roughly 20 students. Three kinds of numbers? What are they? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Normal numbers. We use them for counting. Okay. First, second, third. Order numbers. We use them for ordering. All right. Room 101. Bus 5. Name numbers. These are just names, like a room number. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care.